Is Google Ads one of the key marketing tools your company is counting on to grow? Do you know what your Google Ads investments are generating for your business? SmartBi can help. Our Google Ads analytical dashboard was developed to help you maximize the performance of all your Google Ads campaigns, be they search, display, YouTube, or even smart campaigns. The dashboard is divided into 4 tabs, each one giving you key information that will allow you to keep an eye on the health of your campaigns. The first tab analyzes your budgets and the overall performance of your campaigns. Are your budgets being well spent? The second tab looks at your brand awareness. It measures the visibility and the reach of various campaigns. Is your brand gaining in popularity? The third tab exposes the attractiveness of your campaigns. Who are the consumers who click on your ads? Are your ads enticing enough? And finally, the fourth tab delivers the number of conversions being generated by your campaigns. How many new requests for proposals have you received? How many new sales? In short, you will have concrete results regarding the effectiveness of your campaigns. Our dashboards can even give you more information than the platforms used by some ad placement experts. The beauty of the SmartBi dashboards is that they are built the same way, regardless of whether you're looking to analyze data from Google, Bing, Facebook, or any other ad platform. Our goal: highlight the concrete impact of your investments in an easy-to-use and understand interface. You will obtain analytical superpowers without having to be bitten by a radioactive spider. For more information, contact us. We don't bite.